haka jingdon Jingkynnoh ilam ki bahak made jong parti NPP la Pdiang sngewbha yo ba Shangpliang kini jing Pdiang burom ya ke jing Pyniasoh jong tu MLA barim jong mau senram kalalong hne gesngi kita khatlai teri kunai lur arjar arpulai ya ke bayi jing ilang la penlong office rikam jong seng NPP halai chimiar Shillong ya utu MLA barim jong mau senram constituency uba Shangpliang la Pdiang sngewbha da national president geseng ukonrat kongkal sangma rengkat ru bat kino ilam ki parangba jong seng NPP ki bakentup nadu Dr. Didi Lepang ubari menteri rangba barim jong jelah Laban kedua bau MLA barim jong mau senram constituency uba Shangpliang haka hendriu terik mentau penai ulami no na keseng BJP harengkat ki Jingkynnoh bakadon ke jingle Shillong nau presiden ke BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Mauri naka liang jong ba Shangpliang haba jengkran ha kene sengi ulong ba ke jing Pyniasoh jong u sekene parti kaban nengkong hi ke jingdon jong jingi teli hapo kene keseng dak bong ru ba keseng NPP ke keseng kabadon ye jing yo i jengai hagi kampen roy bat kilat yo kam yo jam uba Shangpliang ulong ru ba ke jingrung jong u keseng NPP ke dinamar ke jing purom bat ke jing shenya ha ke parti ya ke balai lam hi da menteri rangba jong jela Meghalaya ukonrat ke sangma ulong bawat lau la syarem no ha kene election MLA ke beladap hendeu yene banyetri na ke benta jong ki pajba badru ukwa ru ban kentiu ye kene parti khamtam ha ki than nong kendong
that I am going to join the National People's Party, the NPP. I see Meghalaya emerging as one of the leading states in the country. Under the dynamic leadership of Sri Conrad Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and duly supported by Sri Preston Tinsong and Sri Shobha, both Deputy Chief Ministers. And I am very impressed with the emphasis given by the party for the development of the state. I could see that the government is focused on entrepreneurship, tourism, on agro-processing, skilling of the youths, and various livelihood sectors. It is these developments that magnifies the purpose of the party. The endeavor of the party to support the farmers of the state under the flagship programs like the Focus and so on, and the party's assurance to continue to engage with the government of India for the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, and for the implementation of the ILP in Meghalaya, for which resolutions have been passed in the Assembly by the MDA government. These issues and concerns taken up by the party for the welfare of the people of the state have persuaded and convinced me to be part of the growth today, and hence I join the NPP today. Today, I commit myself to serve this party with all honesty and sincerity, and to serve the people of the state to the best of my ability. Once again, I'd like to thank the National President, Sri Conrad Sangma, for giving me this honor today. I also thank Sir Preston and Sir Sngewbha for the encouragement and support that they kept giving me over the days so as to enable me to join the party here today. I also thank the State President, Dr. W.R. Khaluki, for his kind consent to induct me into the party. My special thanks goes to a very special person in my life, and that is Dr. Didi Lapang. I'm very thankful to you, sir. I was very surprised last night when I got notice that I am joining this party, and that's why he said, I am going to be there to be present and to witness your entry into the party. And thank you so much, sir, for being here with us today and inspiring all of us, sir.
We use the word party, and we always follow it by the word family. And the reason why we feel that is because we are very particular that while we are working for our state and for our people, the kind of commitment, the kind of teamwork, the kind of passion, and the kind of environment that we would like to have within the party should be like a family. When you're in a political party, there seems to be a certain sense of a different mindset, which is, I'm not saying is bad, because that's what politics is. But while we are there for politics and trying to do political activities, we would like to give it a very strong sense of commitment to what we do, a strong sense of passion in which we do it, and that is what drives us, and that is what is the strength of the National People's Party, and that's what differentiates us today. I was very happy that Sir Didi Lapang is here with us today, and it's a small example but a very, very important example, which is to say that when we talk about ourselves as a party, as a family, we don't leave anybody behind. And we are kind of a family and a party which will always believe that those who have given their commitment and those who have worked for the state and for the party, it is the responsibility of the current leadership in the party, the state, to take care as much as possible and to be inclusive in ensuring that just because the person has grown of age and at a certain level is not able to contribute the way the person used to, that we just simply don't give them the importance. That is not the way the National People's Party works. We feel that every member of our party is important. I'm happy to see Bakim out here. You know, Bakim Fa is here with us. He was a candidate and he didn't win. That's fine. But whenever he's in the secretariat, he drops by my office. We have a cup of tea together. We discuss a lot of things. We try to see how we can move forward. You know, I'm happy to see Basamlen out here. You know, Congress is out here. You know, I'm happy. And this is really what differentiates the National People's Party. And that's the kind of spirit that we'd like to see. And today, Dr. Didi Lapang giving a wonderful speech. And I must say, I'm just super impressed with his mind, the presence of mind he has, his memory. Even at this age, the way he articulately expresses himself is just amazing. And so I thank you, sir, for your presence. It's a great inspiration and a motivation to all of us. And as a political party, we would like to say that we are happy that you are with us today, guiding us, and especially that you are here in this program today to be with us.